Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the world of snacks. But not just any snacks. We are talking about the best snacks for weight loss. Yes, you heard that right. Snacking doesn't have to be our enemy when it comes to shedding those extra pounds. So grab your favorite blanket, get cozy, and let's get into it. Say hello to baby carrots. They are not only super crunchy but also low in calories and high in fiber. Perfect for keeping you full and satisfied between meals. Pair them up with a tasty hummus dip for an extra kick. But wait, there's more. Have you ever tried roasted chickpeas? These little gems are a great source of protein and fiber, making them an excellent choice when you're looking for a savory and crunchy snack. You can get creative with flavors too, like spicy paprika or tangy barbecue. Yum! Who said weight loss snacks couldn't be sweet? Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth guilt-free. Our second category is all about those delightful treats that won't sabotage your progress. Let's start with a classic favorite, Greek yogurt. Packed with protein and low in sugar, Greek yogurt is not only creamy and delicious, but also incredibly versatile. Add some fresh berries and a drizzle of honey for a decadent snack that will keep you satisfied for hours. If you're a chocolate lover like me, you're in for a treat. Dark chocolate is actually a fantastic choice when it comes to weight loss snacks. It's rich in antioxidants and can help satisfy those chocolate cravings without going overboard. Just remember, moderation is key. Life can get pretty hectic, and sometimes we need snacks that we can grab and go. Fear not, because I've got some amazing on-the-go options for you. First up, we have protein bars. These little powerhouses are packed with protein and are perfect for when you're in a rush. Just make sure to choose ones with minimal added sugars and natural ingredients. If savory snacks are more your thing, let me introduce you to rice cakes. These lightweight snacks are low in calories and oh so crunchy. Top them with some avocado spread or a thin layer of nut butter for a flavor explosion on the go. Last but certainly not least, hydration is essential for weight loss and overall well-being. And what better way to stay hydrated than with delicious and refreshing snacks? Cucumber slices are the perfect hydrating snack to munch on throughout the day. They are made up of mostly water and provide a nice crunch. Add a sprinkle of salt and a squeeze of lemon, and you've got yourself a refreshing treat. Looking for something a little sweeter? Watermelon is here to save the day. Not only is it incredibly hydrating, but it's also low in calories. Plus, who can resist that juicy and sweet goodness on a hot summer day? And just like that, we've reached the end of our snack adventure. I hope you found these ideas helpful and inspiring. Remember, healthy snacking is all about balance and making choices that nourish both your body and soul. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay awesome and keep snacking smart.